In today's video, we are diving into one of the most important decisions for starting or scaling your online store. Shopify versus Bluehost, which is the best for your e-commerce business. If you've been sitting on the fence about which platform to choose, you're not alone. Shopify and Bluehost cater to very different types of sellers, and understanding what each has to offer can make or break your online success. In this video, we're going to explore the key features and strengths of Shopify and Bluehost, how they compare in pricing, functionality, and ease of use, and how to get signed up for each. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to score the best deals on both platforms. You can get up to 80% off of Bluehost and start with Shopify for just $1. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get access to the best deals possible. If you're ready to choose the perfect platform and set your e-commerce store up for success, let's dive in. Let's kick things off with Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there, and for a good reason. It's a dedicated solution designed specifically for selling online, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced sellers. So what is Shopify exactly? Shopify is a platform that allows you to build, manage, and scale an online store without needing extensive technical knowledge. It's known for its user-friendly interface, built-in tools, and professional templates that make setting up a store incredibly fast and easy. Here's what makes Shopify stand out. Streamlined setup. Shopify is designed for simplicity. You don't need to worry about hosting, security, or even payment gateways. It's all included. Built for e-commerce. Unlike website builders that have e-commerce as an afterthought, Shopify was created with selling in mind. From inventory management to shipping and taxes, it handles the entire process seamlessly. Shopify comes loaded with features to help you grow your business. Beautiful templates. Shopify offers a variety of free and premium templates to suit your brand style. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, or handmade crafts, there's a template for you. Integrated payment processing. With Shopify payments, you can accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more, all without needing a third-party processor. 24/7 support. If you have questions, Shopify's customer support team is available around the clock. But that's not all. Shopify's App Store is a game changer. It has thousands of apps for everything from email marketing to inventory management, allowing you to customize your store to your heart's content. If you know you're ready to get started with Shopify, make sure you click the exclusive link in the description to get started. Next, let's talk about Bluehost, a web hosting platform that lets you build highly customizable websites using WordPress and WooCommerce. While it's not strictly an e-commerce platform, Bluehost offers the tools you need to create a store that's uniquely yours. So what is Bluehost? At its core, Bluehost is a hosting provider. It's your go-to if you want to build a website from scratch, whether that's a blog, a portfolio, or an online store. Bluehost pairs perfectly with WordPress, the most popular content management system, and WooCommerce, the leading e-commerce plugin. With Bluehost, you are in control. You can choose your website's layout, features, and functionality. You're not limited by preset templates or themes. You can use plugins to add everything from SEO tools to social media integrations. Bluehost's e-commerce capabilities. When you combine Bluehost and WordPress and WooCommerce, you unlock a powerful e-commerce solution. Unlimited customization. If you want a store layout that no one else has, Bluehost is going to give you that flexibility to create exactly what you envision. Scalable hosting. As your business grows, Bluehost lets you upgrade your hosting plan to handle increased traffic and large product catalogs. Budget-friendly pricing. Hosting starts as low as $3 per month, and there are no transaction fees for using WooCommerce. However, with great power comes responsibility. Setting up a WordPress site requires more hands-on work than Shopify. But if you're willing to put in the time or hire a developer, Bluehost gives you unmatched creative freedom. If you know you're ready to go ahead and check out Bluehost, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. Shopify's key features. Shopify stands out as a purpose-built e-commerce platform. It's designed to make running an online store as smooth as possible, even for complete beginners. All in one platform. Shopify is a complete e-commerce solution, so you don't need to worry about finding hosting providers or setting up SSL certificates or managing server updates. Shopify handles everything for you. This means less time spent on technical setups and more time focusing on your products and marketing. It also ensures your store is secure and reliable with industry standard performance. User-friendly dashboard. Shopify's dashboard is intuitive and organized. You can add products, track orders, view customer data, and manage shipping all from one place. The drag and drop editor lets you easily customize your website without any coding experience. If you want to rearrange a section or add a banner, it's just a few clicks away. Professional design options. First impressions matter, especially online. Shopify offers a wide range of templates that look sleek and professional. There's also free themes, so these are great for beginners who are looking to launch quickly without spending extra on design. But they do also have premium themes, and this is if you want a unique look. You can purchase premium themes that cater to specific industries like fashion, electronics, or fitness. All themes are responsive, meaning your site will look great on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. One of Shopify's biggest advantages is a built-in payment gateway, Shopify Payments. You can accept payments via credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more without needing a third-party processor. For those who do prefer other payment gateways, Shopify does integrate with over 100 external options like PayPal and Stripe. Shopify App Store. The App Store is one of the platform's most powerful features, offering over 6,000 apps to enhance your store. If you need a tool for email marketing, they have Klaviyo or MailChimp, or if you're looking for a drop shipping integration, they have apps for that as well. From advanced analytics to customer loyalty programs, Shopify app ecosystem makes it super easy to expand your store's functionality. Built-in marketing tools. Shopify also includes tools to help you promote your store. You can create discount codes, offer free shipping, or run flash sales directly from the platform. It has SEO-friendly features like customizable meta tags, automatic sitemap generation, and clean URLs, making it so much easier for your store to rank on search engines. For social media sellers, Shopify integrates with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, so you can sell directly on those channels. If you're interested in exploring Shopify's features further, make sure to check out that link in the description. Next up, Bluehost Key Features. Bluehost is a flexible hosting platform that pairs seamlessly with WordPress, giving you full control over your website's design and functionality. WordPress integration. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress, making it a reliable choice for building WordPress websites. WordPress powers over 40% of the web, and with Bluehost, you can harness its full potential for your online store. Installing WordPress on Bluehost is a one-click process, and from there, you can customize your site using themes and plugins. WooCommerce compatibility. For e-commerce functionality, Bluehost integrates with WooCommerce, the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. WooCommerce is free to install and offers essential features like product listings, shopping carts, and secure payment gateways. It also supports extensions for advanced features like subscriptions, memberships, and bookings. Customization freedom. Bluehost gives you complete creative control over your website. Unlike Shopify, which operates within its platform's limits, Bluehost lets you modify every element of your site, from the layout to the checkout process. With thousands of WordPress themes available, you can create a store that reflects your brand perfectly. Plugins allow you to add virtually any functionality you can think of, from SEO tools to live chat support. Scalability. As your business grows, Bluehost hosting plans can scale with you. You can start with the basic shared hosting plan and upgrade to VPS or dedicated hosting as your traffic and storage needs increase. This flexibility ensures that your site performs well, even during high traffic periods like holiday sales. Now, let's go ahead and compare the two. When comparing Shopify and Bluehost, it's essential to understand how they differ in terms of ease of use, customization, and scalability. Each platform excels in specific areas depending on your needs and technical expertise. Ease of use. Shopify is the clear winner if you're looking for a platform that's easy to set up and manage. Shopify is hands down the better option. Its intuitive interface and drag and drop tools allow even complete beginners to create professional looking online store in no time. By contrast, Bluehost is powerful but requires more effort to get up and running. With Bluehost, you'll need to install WordPress, set up WooCommerce plugin, and manually select, install, and configure themes and plugins to design your store. Customization. Bluehost takes the lead. When it comes to customization, Bluehost offers far more flexibility than Shopify. This is because Bluehost uses WordPress, which is an open source platform with endless possibilities for customization. Shopify, on the other hand, while still customizable, operates within more defined boundaries. Next is scalability. Shopify makes scaling easier. Both Shopify and Bluehost can handle growing businesses, but Shopify offers a more seamless path to scale. Shopify's infrastructure and built-in scalability tools make it a better choice. Bluehost is a solid option for those willing to put in the effort to manage hosting upgrades and plugins as their store grows. When it comes to ease of use, Shopify wins by a landslide. It's designed for anyone to create a store quickly and effortlessly. For customization, Bluehost offers unmatched flexibility, making it an ideal choice for users who want total control over their website's design and features. As for scalability, Shopify's integrated tools and seamless upgrades make it easier to grow, while Bluehost scalabilities require more technical involvement. Your choices ultimately depend on your priorities. If simplicity and convenience are your top priorities, Shopify is the way to go. If you value creative control and are comfortable managing a more complex setup, Bluehost is definitely the better fit. If you want to check them out further, click the links in the description to get started. Now, let's go ahead and break down the cost of each so you can decide which option fits your budget. So here you can see they have a bunch of different pricing and plans for you. So starting off with the basic, this is the most popular. You can get started for just $1 on your first month, but after that, it goes to $29 a month, and that's if you pay yearly. You do save some money if you pay in full for a year. This is best for solo entrepreneurs. Within each plans, there are different card rates, but let's take a look at the features between each of them. So with the basic plan, you get up to 77% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat, and localized global selling, 3 markets. With the Shopify plan, this is for small teams. And this is $79 per month if you pay yearly. As you can see, the card rates do decrease a little bit, and then the standout features are up to 88% shipping discount and insurance, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 5 additional staff accounts, and POS Lite. Next up is the advanced plan, and this is as your business scales, and this is $299 a month. You can try it out for $1 for your first month. As you can see, the rates do decrease again, and the standout features are up to 88% shipping discount, insurance, third-party calculated rates, custom reports and analytics, 10 inventory locations, enhanced 24/7 chat, localized global selling, 3 markets, and ad markets for $59 a month each. You also get 15 additional staff accounts, 10x checkout capacity, and more. Lastly is the Plus, and this is $2,300 a month, and again, this is for a 3-year term. For the card rates, they are competitive rates for high volume merchants. The standout features are 88% shipping discount, insurance, third-party calculated rates, custom reports and analytics, 200 inventory locations, priority 24/7 phone support, localized global selling, unlimited staff accounts, and customized checkout with 40x capacity, and so much more. Now, moving on to Bluehost. As you can see, they do have a ton of different options as well, and you can save up to 81% on this choice plan. So let's go ahead and start off with the basic plan. The basic plan starts at just $199 per month. You get 10 websites, 100 concurrent visitors, ideal for 40K visits a month, AI site creation, 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain for the first year, pro email, free SSL, free CDN, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and 24/7 chat support. Next up is the Choice Plus, and you can save 81% if you get signed up, and it starts at just $265 per month. You get everything included in the basic plan, but you do get 50 websites, you get more storage, more concurrent visitors, and it's ideal for a higher number of visits. You also get, everything with the basic plan, but you also get phone support and daily website backups. Moving on to the online store. This is great for online selling. E-commerce tools are built in. You can save 67%, and that will be $625 a month. You get everything that you get with the choice plan, but you also get automated real-time backups with Jetpack, and commerce solution is included. Lastly is the Pro plan, and you can save 52%. This is perfect for high traffic, advanced storage, security, and backups. This starts at just $9.99 a month. With this plan, you get everything that you get with the online, choice, and basic plans, but you get more websites. You have 100 websites, you get more storage, more concurrent visitors, and it's ideal for larger visits per month. And again, you get everything included as the previous plans that we talked about, except for the commercial solution. In the Pro plan as well, you do get daily website backups for the first year free. So now, how to get started with each. Again, make sure you click that exclusive link in the description to get started. And then what you'll want to do is go ahead and type in your email address, and you can get started for free. And then all you have to do is go ahead and type in an email and password. Go ahead and click Create Shopify account. Now, with Bluehost, again, click our exclusive link in the description to get started, and then you want to make sure you are jumping on this Black Friday promotion because it will not last forever. So to get access to this Black Friday promotion, go ahead and click Get Started, and then next you'll want to go ahead and choose your plan. We'll go ahead with this, and then you can go ahead and type in your domain, and then you'll want to decide how long. So depending on if you sign up for 1 year or 3 years or monthly, you can get a free trial for 3 months. So go ahead and click continue to checkout. You also can add on the services solution as well, and that's an extra $4.99 a month. All you have to do is go ahead and click continue to checkout. I also wanted to tell you about Storebuild.ai. If you're ready to start your e-commerce journey today, I want to introduce you to Storebuild.ai, the ultimate solution for launching your Shopify store with zero hassle. Right now, using the exclusive link in the description, you can get a custom-built Shopify store for free using their advanced AI technology. Here's what you're going to get. A high-converting Shopify store tailored just for you, 10 proven trending products added to your store, and access to the best suppliers in the industry with fast and reliable shipping. You will have all the tools and resources you need to start selling successfully. And the best part, the entire setup just takes 5 minutes, and you don't need any technical skills. It's quick, reliable, and perfect for beginners who want every advantage in building their e-commerce business. All you have to do is click the exclusive link in the description and follow the steps. In no time, you'll have a professional, high-converting Shopify store ready to launch. Click our exclusive link in the description to get started with Storebuild.ai and take the first steps towards your e-commerce store. That wraps up this video. I hope this was so helpful for you on deciding which e-commerce store is the best fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and leave any comments that you have. This channel is dedicated to helping you succeed in the e-commerce world by providing expert advice and in-depth reviews and the best tools to grow your online business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.